In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove and uninstall the Windows Media Player from your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in optional. Best result, should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says added features, go ahead and search for Media Player. It should say Windows Media Player Legacy. Go ahead and select that and then select remove. Give that a moment to uninstall. And then once it's removed, close out of here and then restart your computer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.